Hi beautiful, welcome to Vital 7 Pilates. My name is Cassidy. I've been teaching Pilates for over 20 years now, and I'm happy to guide you through this workout today. Today, we'll be doing the curl ups. This exercise is designed to build the endurance of your abdominal muscles, the rectus abs, the external and internal obliques, and the transverse abs. This is great for back support, core stability, and preventing low back pain. Even if you're familiar with this exercise, I encourage you to follow along with me. You may learn some new tips and tricks that will help you to master the movement, leading to smarter and more efficient movement, yielding the best results. This workout is perfect for beginners, so there's no need to worry if you're new to Pilates. Let's get started and show your body some love. You're gonna start laying down on your back with your knees bent, your feet flat, and you wanna place your fingertips behind your ears. So you're gonna inhale to prepare, and then on your exhale, you wanna feel the movement of your ribs corseting together. And once you feel that movement of the ribs, then you can go ahead and curl up. This way you know that you're engaged in your rectus abs and that they'll be working when you curl up. So taking that breath in, exhaling, feeling the movement of the ribs, and then curling up. Once you curl up, you should instantly feel the front of your neck and your rectus abs. You want to gaze down toward your pubic bone, remembering to keep your fingertips behind your ears, not behind your head. This may cause you to push your head forward. You do want to feel the rectus abs and the transverse abs and the obliques working. From here, you're just going to hold it for as long as you can. Once you feel the back of your neck working or your lower back working, you want to go ahead and come down. So let's do that again. You're going to take a breath in to prepare, and then you're going to exhale, curl up. Remember to feel the movement of the ribs first. Checking in, what do you feel working? Do you feel the front of your neck, your rectus abs? Are you focusing down at your pubic bone? If you notice the back of your neck working or your lower back straining, you want to go ahead and relax. That's absolutely fine. Hold for as long as you can, remembering to breathe. And then go ahead and rest. And we're going to go again, taking a breath in, exhale, curling up. Feeling the front of your neck, your rectus abs, your transverse abs, feeling the obliques. Notice if your pelvis is level or not. Correct it if you need to. Hold for as long as you can. Remember, you want to build your endurance. If you feel the back of your neck or your lower back, you want to rest. That's absolutely fine. And let's go again. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, curl up. Feeling the front of your neck, your rectus abs, your transverse abs. Breathing, correcting your pelvis if you need to. You should be aching. I'm aching. Woo. Go ahead and rest. Nicely done. We're gonna add a little rotation now to work the external obliques a little bit more. So you're gonna go ahead, you're gonna exhale, you're gonna curl up. Feel those ribs move. And then you're gonna add a little rotation to the left, just a little bit, just enough so that you feel your right obliques really fire up. So you're feeling the rectus abs, your right obliques, your transverse abs, holding for as long as you can, feeling that ache, and then go ahead, rest down, and you're gonna repeat that. Inhaling, exhaling, curling up. Adding a little rotation to the left. Feel that right oblique really fire up. Remember to gaze down toward your pubic bone. You want to feel the front of your neck, your rectus abs, your obliques, your transverse abs. Remember, if you feel the back of your neck or your lower back, you want to stop and rest. That's absolutely fine. Woo. Here we go. Inhaling, exhaling up. Adding a little rotation to your left, just a little bit. Remember, you're just getting your shoulders off the mat, holding for as long as you can. However long that is, that's absolutely fine. Wow, you're gonna be feeling that ache. Feeling that burn. Go ahead and rest. All right, you got this. We're gonna do it a couple more times. Exhaling up. Rotate to your left, holding that. Checking your pelvis. Is it level? Do you feel grounded through your feet? Do you feel the front of your neck, your rectus abs, your obliques, your transverse abs? Ooh, and resting back down. Wow, are you feeling it? I am feeling it. All right, we're gonna do it one more time. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, move the ribs. Curling up, rotating to your left just a little bit. Just the shoulders off the mat. Feeling the front of your neck, your rectus abs, your right oblique, your transverse abs. Feeling that ache low in the belly. That's good, you want that. Checking if your pelvis is level. Resting when you need to. Nicely done. All right, we're gonna do the other side. Exhale, curling up. Rotating to your right. Feeling it in your left oblique. Feeling the front of your neck, your rectus abs, your transverse abs. Is your pelvis level? Do you feel anchored through your feet? Holding for as long as you can. You're wanting to build your endurance and rest when you need to. Oh my goodness, are you feeling it? I am feeling it. Here we go. Exhaling up. Just the shoulders off the mat, rotating to the right. Checking your pelvis, feeling that left oblique kick in, anchor down into your feet, remembering to breathe, feeling that ache, rest when you need to. You got this. Here we go. Exhaling, curling up, rotating to the right, checking your pelvis, feeling that left oblique, transverse abs, rectus abs. Oh my goodness. Gazing down toward your pubic bone. Just the shoulders off the mat. Wow, are you aching? Are you quivering? Oh my goodness, I am. Go ahead, come back down. Whew, I think we have one more. You got this. Here we go. Exhaling up. Rotating to your right. Just the shoulders off the mat. Holding for as long as you can, feeling the abs, wow, feeling those rectus abs, obliques, transverse abs. Remember, if you feel the back of your neck or your lower back, you want to rest. Is your pelvis level? Oh my goodness, anchoring down through your feet. Wow, I am feeling it. Rest when you need to. Whew, nicely done. All right, you did it. Give yourself some props. You're helping yourself to get stronger and prevent injuries. I love it. I want you to get the most out of this exercise. So leave a comment below if you have any questions or you're looking for some modifications. I'm happy to help. So FYI, this is part 1 of 3. You can access part 2 in the description below or possibly at the end of the video. It will be waiting for you whenever you're ready and I will meet you there. See you soon. Are you ready for exclusive content, early access to content, and other perks? Join us on Patreon. Click on the link in the description of this post for more. Special shout out to my Vital 7 stars. Thank you for making this video possible.